Greetings guys, my name is Daniel. I'm one of the co-founders of Sound Heroes, and I'm going to present you how to assemble the product in 4 easy steps. Okay? This is the box, the Sound Heroes box. When you're going to receive it, it's going to be inserted in another box, especially for shipping, and it's going to be wrapped around with bubble wrap. Okay? So I'm going to start by taking out the product slowly from the box. Okay. All the parts inside are put in a protective foam, especially for transport, and so that each part will be protective and no damage will occur to the product. Okay? I'm going to take it slowly out of the box. Okay, I'm just going to put the box underneath so we have space to show the product. Okay. On one side we have the dock and the power adapter. I'm just going to take this out so we have it here ready. And on the other side we have the other parts: body, legs, and arms. Okay? I'm going to take out the dock so it's easier for me to take out the rest of the parts. Okay. This is the dock of the product. I'm going to leave it here on the table, and then we arrange all the parts next to it. Okay. It's going to be a lot easier to take out the body, considering the foam and everything is really tight, if you just follow my instructions, okay? So just try to push from underneath, push, and then pull in the same time, and it's easier for you to take it out, okay? So we have the body. The connecting points are really important, and they provide quality sound, okay? I'm going to put the body here and continue removing the rest of the parts. The legs, here we go. Once we have all the parts removed from the box, we can start assembling the product. Like I mentioned, we have to do it in 4 steps. Step 1, which is one of the most important steps, we need to put all the parts according to their rightful place. We start with arms. You see the left arm should be on the left side, right arm, same, right side. And then with the legs, it's a lot easier because you just have to match the connecting points. You see the left leg has the connecting points here. You match them with the one on the body, which are on the left side. And after that, of course, the right leg, it's really easy to put. Okay, so step 1, you put all the parts there. You have them correctly assembled, correctly positioned according to the rightful place. And we're going to move on to step 2, which is assembling the arms. We take out the arm, and we can do it in one easy motion. We just press from the back and then push in front, okay? Once you do that motion, it's really easy to do, and you'll have no problem assembling correctly. I'm going to continue with the right arm, and I'm going to show you guys from the front so it's easier to understand. Again, I push from the back, and then I just continue the motion, pressing on a 90 degrees angle, and then the arms are correctly positioned. That is step 2. Let's move on to step 3, which is assembling the legs. Again, check the leg to be with the connecting points. You can match them again with the ones on the body. Just keep in mind, left side, left leg and left side are the connecting points. Okay? I match them, I push, you hear a click, now you know the leg is correctly assembled. I take out the right leg and just do the same motion. Push, and it's really easy to assemble. So these are the first 3 steps, and the last step, step number 4, is just we put the body on the dock. Again, we need to match the connecting points. Left side, connecting points, and we match them with the one on the body. We push them, and then you just push a bit so the connecting points are correctly assembled, and the connection will be stable. So here you go, guys. This is how you assemble the product in 4 easy steps. If you follow my instructions, you'll have no problem setting up really, really fast and correctly.